Yeah, my wife referred these people to me, and I have no problem with their work. I use them again, and I even reference them to somebody else. That's it.
Awesome. He had a dead tree that was dying over top of his house. He just wanted to cut down to make it safe. So we were able to use the bucket truck, reach over, not even get in the grass, reach over from the street, take the whole tree down. And we had the rubber track machine. It was real wet, so we were careful to put it in a spot. And loader truck's coming tomorrow to pick up all the debris. Tree Life, 584 Tree, where we go out on a limb for you. Licensed, insured, workers' comp, 25 years experience.